Hey everyone, so today I'm just going to do a simple little ring pour on a hexagon canvas. I think these don't really have a size. This was what they would call medium. And I'm going to cover the edges with black, and then I'm going to mix up some colors just to do the ring pour. If I can get the lid off. It's hard painting with Alan because he's not a wiper like I am. So the edges all get dried paint on them. I just want to be able to push that black over the edge when I pour. Okay, that should be plenty. So I'm going to put a lot of color on here. Okay, so I'm going to use a paper cup. I've already sprayed it with the WD-40 spray, and that is the silicone spray. And I'm going to be using a little bit of black. This is Creative Inspirations Lamp Black. Artist Loft Naples Yellow. Premier Purple Red, and these are paints that I'm trying to use up today, so I'll be able to fill them. Next to that, I'm going to go ahead and add the Folk Art Purple Flash. And this is Masters Fine Touch Deep Violet. Folk Art Blue Violet Flash. Artist Loft Iridescent is mixed with Grumbacher Prussian Blue. Maybe get a little squirt of white in there. Otherwise, we might be just a little bit too dark. And I'm going to go just a little bit on each one again. Probably going to have plenty of paint. And let's go out with a little bit of white. Okay, so they're all layered in there. Just going to move those out of there. And we're just going to pour a ring. I'm not going to make circles, I'm just going to pour. Not as much yellow in there as I thought I would have. But I did get the black. Give it a quick torch, get the bubbles out. Now all these paints do have silicone in them, so we probably will get some cells. I'm just stretching it out. Just trying to get it to connect to the black is what I'm doing. Okay, so I already know I'm not digging that black, but I wanted to see. Yeah, it's not going to give me anything. It's not going to give me my yellow I wanted, so I know where I'm going with this now. Just got to take it over the edge just a little bit. Oh, now it's coming up through. Not enough though. Let's see what happens when I torch that before I tilt that off. Yeah, not enough. Not enough for me to want to keep it. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of that. Not all of it though, because I kind of like that in the middle there. And I think that's going to be it. The one thing with the hexagons, you really gotta get all those edges, and there's much more. We don't have just 4. So now it's coming up through. But I don't want to stretch it anymore because I'm going to get too much zigzag going on. So I kind of am digging it like right there. I think it's cool. Let's give it a final torch and see. Because I may take this off a little bit. No, maybe not. Thought process. Nothing wants to come through there, so we will leave it alone. But I did get some cool looking cells right here. I'll give you a close-up. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Runoff is pretty. I can pull a couple tiles. But it looks pretty good. So subscribe if you haven't. Click on that little bell and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Check out all the links below. We have a new code for stone coat resin. And that is POSSE, P-O-S-S-E. At checkout, you'll get $30 off an $80 order. Shop with us on Amazon for all your painting supplies. We have pretty much everything in there. And if you're interested in purchasing paintings or jewelry or hand-painted beads, all that is in my Etsy shop, and everything is on sale till December 12th. Join us for our auction this Sunday night at 7 p.m. right here on our channel. That is Eastern Time. We have 41 paintings, I believe. And 41 or 42, I can't remember for sure. But we always throw one in here and there if we find another one that we want to add. So check us out Sunday night. Get your Christina Welch and Ellen Welch originals. We do have a few by Nate as well, Nate Cerami. And that's going to start at 7 p.m. Buyer pays shipping. And payment is due the day after the auction when we send you an invoice. So what you'll do is email us your mailing address. We'll box up your winnings and send you an invoice for you to pay. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.